In this video, I will demonstrate how to set up the university-based performance management system with AI-Powered Chatbot. An IT account has already been created and I'm trying to log in. For all types of accounts in the system, if login fails 3 times, then the account will be locked for 2 minutes. After that time, the user can make an attempt or use the forgot password feature. I will now log in. Click the eye icon to view the password. IT refers to the super admin or the MIS specialist of the organization. As we can see, the dashboard contains a welcome message, an overview of personal data, whether the application for promotion is ongoing, and shortcuts going to other pages of the system. It also shows the number of created faculty, HR staff, and school admin accounts, the promoted count for every application year, and the approval status. The IT account can edit personal data except for the email address. Change password can be done provided the new password meets the requirement. The university-based performance management system has the ability to build an appraisal system. This would include the following actions. First is to add academic ranks. As you can see, I already added several ranks. I can edit or delete permanently. To add, simply input the rank name. Description is optional, then save. It went to the bottom of the list, drag it up to be in the correct order, then press Save Order. Next is the Design Application form. Details of the new form can be added on the left panel and the list appears on the right. I already designed 2 forms. We can edit the details, duplicate for another application year, delete permanently, and manage. When managing, we can set new criteria. For this example, there are 5 criteria already added. To add a new one, simply supply the details on the left panel. Drag and drop, then save order. Criterion can be edited or deleted permanently. The next step is to specify options for every criterion. I already added options for each criterion as seen on the right panel. To add a new one, simply specify the criterion and write the option. Options can be edited or deleted permanently. After adding, you can preview its final appearance. Note that when a documentary requirement is specified, then the allowed documentary requirement is PDF, PNG, or JPEG, and it should not exceed 2 megabytes. Faculty applying should also merge multiple pages. You can test how it behaves. Right now, the submit and cancel are for viewing purposes only. You can jump to other steps anytime. Another example is using weight points instead of the highest achievement. In this method, there are points that will be assigned to each criterion. We can edit or permanently delete added criteria. Criteria can also be reordered. Next step is to specify the options for every criterion. We can edit a specific option to be moved to another criterion. Then reorder those that are in the same criterion. Finally, preview the final appearance of the form. We can also make a notification form. This will be the document that will contain the result of the appraisal. Use the Add New tab to add a new form. Go to the List tab to view created forms. we can edit and delete. Let's proceed to training the form to decide automatically what will be the salary grade and salary amount of an accomplished application form. First to do is to assign qualification or characteristic of every rank. Let's choose the application year to pull up the criteria and their options. I will choose the first option, which form uses the highest achievement method. As we can see, the left panel is where to add a new rank with corresponding options for every criterion. Note that we cannot have two ranks with similar or different qualifications. You can edit or delete permanently. Let's look at how we can specify ranks for the form created using weight score method. We can select the rank name, then enter minimum and maximum points, meaning if the received point of the applicant falls in this range, they will automatically receive this rank. As we can see, the rank now appears on the ranks list. We can edit it or delete permanently. Let's now put all the remaining ranks. Follow the same instruction, which is to specify the rank, then enter the minimum and maximum points. We can reorder the arrangement in the list. The next step is to set up salary grades. I already added a salary grade for 2023 based on the Salary Standardization Law of 2019. We can edit or delete it. Click Manage to add or edit salary grades. We can reorder the arrangement of the added salary grade names. Next is to set up salary amount for every salary grade. In the said law, each salary grade is comprised of 8 steps, with the exception of salary grade 33, which only has 2 steps. Private institutions may have a different set of salary grades and amounts. Click See Summary to view the entire list. At this point, let's add salary grade 2024 based on Salary Standardization Law 6, first tranche. Currency is in peso. Save, let's manage, add salary grades. Suppose we are done adding salary grade 1 until 33. At this point, we are ready to add the amounts per salary grade. We can add each amount or specify the multiple amounts separated by commas to save time and effort. Suppose we are done adding all the salary steps values for all salary grades. Finally, let's click Link Rank and Salary under the Train Decision Making tab. Let's give it a name for identification. Select the ranks from application year and the salary basis. The item in the list can be edited or deleted. Let's manage it. Here we can specify the rank name and the appropriate salary grade and amount. The linked rank and salary can be edited or deleted permanently. Let's now continue linking the rank, salary, and the corresponding amount. Suppose we are done adding the links. Click back to return to the list. At this point, we now have all the important details to launch the system default. Choose from the application years. Currently, the default is application year 2024. Click the wrench symbol to change settings. Set the notification template, the rank and salary link, who's eligible, the dates when to start and end the application period, as well as when is the result expected to be released. Ensure to set the status to start from pending. Once the application period has either started or closed, the application year form can no longer be edited or managed. The system is fully customizable. The university or school details can be added or edited. The footer section of the website has a link going to the supply details of the school. Benefits can be specified in the system. It can either be statutory or company-initiated benefits. Tenureship, gender, and required months of service should be provided to save a benefit. The school domain can be specified so that only accounts of the domain can use the system. Let's add another domain, then confirm. To delete, simply remove, then confirm. The Departments tab allows adding a new department, viewing added departments, editing details, and deleting permanently. The People tab can be used to view the faculty list. It can be filtered per department or program. The record can be viewed, edited. Forgot password link can also be sent. Indicators show whether a faculty is ahead of a department and if the account has been verified. Click Add New to enter a new faculty record. It can be added individually or by group. Let's have an example. Note that the email address to be used should be of the required domain. Click Save. Ensure that all required fields are filled out. As we can see, personal data has been stored and statutory and company-initiated benefits have been auto-populated based on the benefits entered into the system. Click Save to confirm the benefits. Click Verify Email so the newly added faculty can verify the account. Send a verification email. Let's see what will be received by the added faculty. Let's go to his email address. Here's the email received by the faculty. It contains the verification link and the username with a temporary password. After clicking the link, the email is automatically verified. Let's input the username and temporary password and choose faculty as the login type. He is required to change the temporary password following the password requirements. As we can see, the password has been updated successfully. Let's log in to make sure. Let's go back to the IT account. Refresh the page. As we can see, the verified icon is already there. Suppose one faculty requested to reset password. Click Forgot Password, then press Send. An email is expected to be received by the requester. Let's look at what he will receive. He will receive the email either in the inbox or spam. It contains a link and information until when the link is valid for security reasons. After clicking the link, this page will open. This is where the new password will be submitted. We have successfully updated a password. Let's go back to the IT account. Aside from adding an account individually, accounts can also be created by group. This page contains a link to download the CSV template. Suppose we have two accounts to be added. Save the CSV file. Then let's upload it here. As we can see, the group has been added, but there is still a need to complete the personal data before benefits can be generated and before the verification email can be sent. Staff records can be viewed, edited, deleted, and reset password link can be sent. New individual record and groups of accounts can be added. This is also similar for school admin accounts. The Applications tab shows all application status and results per application year. The Reports tab shows the distribution of application status, count of active applications per department, count of promoted faculties per department, promotion results per faculty, pending applications per head, chart to show total endorsed applications per head, pending applications per staff, and chart showing total evaluated applications per staff. The FAQs tab provides the questions and answers which the chatbot will also treat as a knowledge base. A web scraper will be used to pull out information from this page. Log out to end the session. Accounts can be created using the Create Account link. You just have to specify the account type, then appropriate forms will appear. For faculty, a school-issued email is required to register. For staff, only admin or IT account can create. For admin account, only IT account can create it. For IT account, a developer-provided license key is required.